Hey Kaiden, it's Mrs. Barnes. So here's how you fill in the bubbles or the boxes. So let's say your question one was an often or an always. Okay, so you're going to look for the paint bubble. If you don't have the paint bubble, or sorry, not a paint bubble, the paint can. You're going to look for the arrow, see this arrow here? If it's not there, mine was not there. So look for a little arrow and it will add some more things for you. If the paint can's not here, click on these three dots for more. You're looking for this paint can that's tipped over that says background color. And then you're going to fill it in. So you need to have your Dimensions of Wellness self-assessment open, and whichever answers you have that are answered often or always. So mine is not filled in because I deleted those copies because I didn't need them anymore. So whichever answers here are filled in with often or always is what you're going to fill in with your colors. So if you're for multicultural wellness here, if these are filled in with often or always, you are going to fill in those boxes. So you click the background color of the paint, and then I don't care what color you use. And then maybe number 3 is also often or always, and maybe question 7 is often or always. And the same thing for emotional wellness. You're going to go to emotional wellness on your Dimensions of Wellness self-assessment, and then you're going to do the same thing. But remember that you go into your drive, so you're going to click on your waffle, open up your drive. You are going to go into your health folder, and you're going to find both of these assignments. So you're going to find your Dimensions of Wellness, so we'll pull that one up. And then you're going to find your tally grid. Okay, so mine already have some colors on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for the markers that have, I guess yours already have X's in it, and you're going to find the paint can. Remember, if it doesn't have the paint can showing, you're going to click on these 3 dots, and it just shows you some more options, and you'll click on that background color, and you'll fill in with whatever color you want. So if I'm in environmental wellness, then I'm going to do, well, look, I put all 7 were often or always. So if you have one that's all 7, all you have to do is highlight them all. And then you click the paint can and you can fill them all in. Okay? If you make a mistake, remember just click the undo button and then they will all go back. Okay, so you're looking for the paint can or the background color, and you can click whatever color you want to fill it in. Okay? Hope that helps. Hope you're having a great afternoon, and I will see you the next time I have you in class. Bye!